Or shall I light it now? That's enough! Stop!
And it's not.
Don't forget, that's my chainsaw oil.
No, I won't. There's
Chopping
plenty of
the
it.
logs up.
This is the best
I
bit.
need some petrol.
Is it good?
Hey! I think that's bloody empty now.
It's just pouring down the hill.
It will have evaporated.
Jess, just before we ask this, can I ring Paul at how you insured for?
I don't know. The only problem is, where's the petrol?
Are we ready?
Yes,
we're ready.
I'm ready.
On three. 1, 3.
Am I the man or what? I can't believe that worked out, you dying. The best thing is on video. Yay!